what's up, Barrio Builds family? It's your boy Kubo, back at it again with another little video. Today we're doing a super short stop install on the Subaru WRX TR. Thank you very much for those who have been tapped in with my videos, and more than anything, I want to wish you obviously a happy new year. We just got started. May God bless you on your guys' journey throughout this year, and may love and a lot of abundance reach you and your families. Thank you very much, and today I'm going to be doing a video on this, and stay tuned for it. Thank you very much, and God bless. Alright, we got the Perrin Super shifter stop thingamajig right here. Thank you very much, Perrin, for the sponsorship as well. A lot of stuff are going to be going on to the WRX. I appreciate the help. And here is the items. We're going to get that installed over here. Alright, so the first step you want to do on this install is you're going to want to lift it up from this portion up, and it's going to pop up this whole bracket up, and then remove the shift knob. Let me show you. Alrighty, once you remove the shift knob and the whole assembly bracket basically that was right here, by pulling up, it's going to look like this. Check it out. That's how it's gonna look. And we're gonna be using a 10 mil. That's right here. And then also later on down the road, I suggest using this 7 mil for these little bolts that we're gonna be taking out in the future. Alrighty. Alright, the second step is going to be removing these two bolts, 1 and 2. Going to use this bad boy right here and remove them off. Alright guys, make sure that you use the bigger bolts provided to install these to the clamp. These little red blocks on this C clamp for the Perrin, that shifter stop thingamajig, because they also provide these other smaller bolts, but you definitely have to use the longer ones. And that's how it is. That's the finished product. Honestly, I like it. It's a little tedious to get it perfectly set, like exactly how you want it, you know, because the little blades the brackets kind of move. However, the wiggle on the actual shift knob and like the staff part honestly really does help that wiggle room. I'll be honest, I drove it down the street. It feels awesome, but definitely tedious to install. I'm not saying I'm no professional at installing things, but check out the product. It does do a world of a difference. And shout out to Perrin for the sponsorship and for sending me that part. Thank you very much. Let me know what you guys want to see next on the TR. Make sure you guys comment on the video, and let me know what you guys want to see. Also, don't forget, tap in and let me know if you want some merch. Got some hats and shirts. Alrighty, one last look at the product. And yep, that's all she wrote. At the end, that's how it should look. Nice and neat. Look at that. No Barely any wiggle room. Super nice. Barely any. Just the way it's supposed to work. Nice product. Y'all make sure and get yourself one. If you have a WRX, hit up Perrin to hook you up with one of these amazing products. And see you on the next one.